the kind of information, whatever is being processed, how the system is performing. So there you got to know how the systems, its equipment, its systems are being performed, and what are the consumption that is happening in different parts, what are the equipment, how much it is consuming, and you also can make a benchmark so that you can be alerted whenever it's needed. That if the consumption is going up or something is doing excellent at all. So this is what, and we also have the equipment wise parameters, which is very important for managing energy, managing the performance. That is also available for our end. Now to have these capabilities and how people get benefited out of these capabilities. So we made there are business models, which the first business model that would work with GKN is called Joule phase. That means whatever it saved, the project is done through that, and the profit sharing has happened actually. So this is something very unique in nature, where the customer has to pay nothing. Everything is at our cost. You get the technology, you get the revenue, you get the energy saving, everything for free. Only thing you give us the opportunity to work with. The next part comes about Joule pool. This is even more innovative. That the way you pay your electricity bill for your home is that you consume 5 kilowatt and pay monthly bill. The similar thing you simply got to do. Give us everything, all the headache, all the problems to us. We'll provide you the chilled water, you pay for us as much as you use, you pay for us, and this can be done for your the existing building as well as for the greenfield projects, whatever deems fit for you. To go along with this journey, we have got our supports, which fueling our company, to go forward is Asia Development Banks, Max Ventures, Sangam, and then Seekanetics, and there are many few of them. Now here is a very interesting kind of facts that I would like to present you. And that we have saved so far as a company 14.5 crores of kilowatt of energy, which saved around 130 crores in terms of monetary value. This institution was forced to do that just because there was a residential area next to it, because of the noise part, and the second part was there is a limitation in the electrical infrastructure because it has got continuously expanded. So with the help of engineering team, people have worked tirelessly to ensure that all those challenges are overcome, and right now all the systems are working on electrical chillers, and that is the major lion's share of this particular thing has been achieved through this particular phase. Another part is that this whole systems is under building management systems of ours, that is we call it D-Joule, and it is continuously optimizing of its own, and it is completely automated. So this is the second part, which is also gives us substantial help to save energy. And remaining part, like having variable drives, light, fans, and so on, and all those parts are taken care of in this particular buildings. And finally, I think I just wanted to tell you that we have done big impact on almost all the grades on this particular thing, like energy, you can talk about indoor air quality, sustainable sites. So the team has already worked together. I just want to talk one thing over here. That's want to thank Ganesh from Fluxgen to help us giving a very good systems of monitoring water consumption online through IoT platform. I think really helped us. So I just wanted to recognize his help as well.